My people, as one lecturer wey be EBC also a pastor, she be woman, Voice of Mercy Ministry Church, na for the pastor, and EBC lecturer, as one 40 years old girl, don send am go meet our Papa God. My country people, they be small one o. I'm Nande, I hope so na fine, na good evening. I say my brief to na for wetin dey happen for inside country. My country people, this one e pass me. A 40 years old girl gang up with two of her classmates, SS2 na she dey o. Na so she carry these two guys go this woman house, buy this woman. Wetin happen be say, according to her, he said the woman promise her good life or education, say he go school, come go learn book well. Say the woman come drive her comot for house. That is why he take her. She only just stay 3 weeks with this woman. Wetin happen? This woman go take am for her parents and say she wan train am for school, give am better education, give am better book, better wey be say she go know book well. Now this girl carry herself, she know the hear word. E leg dey waka kulukere. E leg no let her stay one place, my country people. Now so this woman come say, okay oh, as e be so, you go come meet your parents. Now this woman carry am, carry her leg, carry her baggage, banga, go drop her for her papa house o. For her parents, her papa with her mama house. Now this girl come paro, and she don't only stay only 3 weeks with this woman. My country people, they be small. Now this girl gang up with the classmates wey be Luke and Manti, something like that. Now be the other one. He gang up with them. They can't go buy this woman for house. According to wetin they say happen on that few day. Now no say if person don't stay with person, he go know everything about you. Even though you take the kaka, he go know. You take the pipi, he go know, because he don't know everything for your house. All the notice where they happen for your house. She don't know, or he, if not he, they follow you the stage, she don't know. So this girl know everything about this pastor and this lecturer. Now so you carry this is 2 classmates, maybe SS2 like her. He gang up, they go to woman house that day. Come by this woman, give her knife for Isa Ibelem. They no reach for them. They be small one. They scatter the woman, eat the side, everything come out. And that one doesn't finish. They carry the woman for Bangadam. He car, they scatter her. Why that made the woman, my country people, for no wrong? We no know. Now so she can't do and finish. They can't enter Okada, where be motorcycle, they can't go there. Now so he carry his friends then. All of them they go school. Carry them, go this woman place. And they reach there. Now so they buy this woman. Come enter Okada. Do like say na shiki they buy. They go stay for her. Drink cold water. Even eat punk up for their own house. Whereas this woman don't go. Now so this Voice of Mercy Ministry come paro. Come to say they no go green. Say they need justice for their pastor. And according to them, say this woman na very good woman for the community. How can someone get of 40 years fit get that mind? Organize 2 boys. Now wow, my country people, this one weak me. Only 40 years. Now she dey now. Now, before she go reach 2030, now be say you go buy the whole Nigeria wey be our country. Now, my country people, police don't put am for inside kirikiri. To further notice, update where they go get, how they go do there, how na see am, whether may they leave, they say because they be 40 years, or may they go kirikiri. Now wow, at the age of 40 years, she don't commit one first buy. By the time he reach 30, 40, he go buy everybody finish. Now wow, this one weak me. As I hear my country people now say sure, things like this they happen. 40 years old girl. What he say they pursue am? He said because the woman promise a good life, and the woman no come fulfill the promise. He no come do what he talk. Now make the woman must buy. My country people. May I not forget to share this video. If you like what I do for my page, support me by sharing. If you not